Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into Spanish Town, Jamaica. Spanish Town is the old capital of Jamaica, and it's one of the oldest towns in Jamaica. So we're going through Twickenham Park now. We just came off Mandela Highway. This is the Mandela Highway roundabout, and we're going into Spanish Town now. Coming up on the right is the training facility for the Jamaica Police Force. They actually changed the name. I think it's a university now. I'll tell you the name as we pass it. So there's a sign, welcome to Spanish Town. Okay, so on the right now where you see the blue wall, that's the police training facility. And the name now is Jamaica Constabulary Force National Police College of Jamaica. It used to be called something to do with Twickenham Park, but it has a new name now. Right is a warehouse for Progressive Grocers, and they are a conglomerate of different supermarkets. So the Shushan supermarket, the Shoppers Fair, the Progressive Foods, and a few others make up that entity. Okay, on the right is Phil's Hardware, on the left is the Petcom gas station. Now, Spanish Town has a very large population. It's a very developed town because it's one of the, as we said, it's one of the oldest towns. So you're going to find for instance, every government agency has an office here. You have a jail, you have a police station, you have a courthouse. Every bank has a location over here. It has everything that you would find in a city. Everything you find in the city of Kingston, you're going to find here in terms of infrastructure. As to why Spanish Town has not been designated a city, I have no idea. Jamaica only has two cities, Kingston and Montego Bay. And really, there should be more. Spanish Town should be a city. Ocho Rios should be a city. Well, Portmore is soon to be designated a parish. So there's going to be a capital somewhere in Portmore. So hopefully that parish will become a city. We've tried to find out what the criteria is for, but I don't think they have one. Jamaica just doesn't seem to have any, how would you say, no problem with the word town. So they haven't, outside of Montego Bay, they haven't designated any area as a city. Okay, on the right now is a cast iron bridge. It's a national heritage site, and that's one of the oldest bridges in Jamaica. Not the bridge we're driving on, the one to the right. It's a pedestrian bridge now. When Jamaica was a colony of the Spanish Town was the capital of Jamaica. But the capital of Jamaica is now Kingston. Okay, on the left is the Spanish Town Hospital, and they're going to be doing some major renovations over there. On the right is a prison oval. It's a sporting facility. So Spanish Town has a lot of shopping centers because with such a large population, you need a shopping centers to support that population. So this is the St. Jago shopping center on the left. This is the police station on the left. So we are on Burke Road now, going into the heart or the center of Spanish Town. Okay, it seems as if they fixed the road finally. For months the road right here was in a terrible state, but it's been fixed. Alright, so we're now going into the shopping town, sorry, the Spanish Town Shopping Center. This is also called the Sagicor Plaza. And this is the largest plaza in Spanish Town. Definitely the most popular. This one is actually a mall in terms of what we would consider a mall. You go through one central entrance and then all the stores are inside there. But in Jamaica they use the word plaza and mall interchangeably. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.